Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be showing you how to use the O3 Pure Eco Laundry Wash System. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Now that everything is installed properly, we have the water on, we have everything plugged in. When you are running your cycle on your machine, what you want to do is put it on the cold setting. If there's a spot for a cold rinse, you'll want to do that as well. Always keep it on a cold setting. Next, we'll just put it on a normal eco setting and fire it up. When we fire it up, you're going to notice on here, it's going to illuminate blue. You can actually look inside of it and see the bubbles. That's how you know that it's working. Another thing is the actual smell from the water itself almost emits kind of like a bleach or a chlorine smell. That's another indicator that it is working properly. You can smell it in there. Bear in mind, when you are running your first load, you may have some suds inside of it. This is completely normal, as it takes up to 5 washes to eliminate the soap from the fabrics of the clothes. Now, it can also take up to 15 loads for it to eliminate any type of soap scum from the outside of your drum. When you're running your cycle, sometimes you may notice a blinking red light inside of this little blue capsule here. This is actually an error code on the unit. Make sure you go to your owner's manual to find out what this error code represents. It is also not advised to have one of these units if you have harder water. It will actually void your warranty on the unit, as it can actually destroy the internal components. Now the unit has filled up, it is in the agitation cycle, and you'll notice that the machine is actually shut off. That's because the machine will only illuminate as water's coming through. Now you can see it's popped back on, it's calling for a little bit more water. Once this fill is done, you'll see it shut off, just like that. Now, we'll go ahead and let it finish up the cycle. I do highly advise to run a couple more cycles just to try to get the soap scum off of the drum. And what we'll do is go ahead and cancel out the cycle and drain out the washer. Now that the water is drained out, we're gonna go ahead and put this to a real test. I have multiple very dirty, oily towels I'm going to throw in this machine here. As you can see, all of these are pretty gnarly. Just put them around the agitator. All right, now let's go ahead and fire it up. Once again, put it on cold wash. I'm gonna put it on a heavy duty wash. These are pretty nasty. Let's fire it up. You'll see it illuminating, showing that it's turned on. We'll let it go through the fill and see how they come out. Okay, we have finished our 5th and final load. Let's take a look at the results here. They look pretty good. Let's give it a smell. Actually, they smell really good. I really like the smell of it compared to detergents. I still have a little bit of staining here. In the owner's manual, it does advise to pre-treat your stains. So without pre-treating it, really not too bad. There was a lot of oil and messy stuff on these clothes. Let's pull the rest of them out here. A lot of that tar material got out. I gotta be honest, I'm very impressed. It did exactly what it said it was going to do. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take the rest of these towels out. We'll put them inside the dryer, and that will complete your overview of the O3 Pure Eco Laundry System. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.